was to build a multi-bot and substituting the NXT to EV3 and program it to be a Roomba. I used a multi-bot and I added EV3 and more stuff on it. Okay, build. I use axles, wheels, and gears, and I use peg blocks, and beams, and I use EV3 buttons, ultrasonic sensors, and sound sensor, and motors. Wait. So that's a variable that compare whatever, and this is a switch, and this is a move steering. Self-explanatory, right?
What is that?
That's ultrasonic sensor connected to a variable, and that's a button connected to a variable. That's a sound sensor.
And why is it all in one loop?
To update whatever information. This is around 10 times. A few of the times it did not function, and I changed the batteries and fixed it. If I have to rethink, I would make it stronger, and if I would do this again. Still no. So you press this button to make it start. It turns, let's see something. And when they stop, very loudly, it stops. Yeah. Wait. I learned how to code a sound sensor and an ultrasonic sensor. Jason.
Okay, I have 3 questions.
Okay.
Why is it Quest Ions?
I accidentally put that there.
Okay,
Next question.
my second question is how you never really explained how this works.
Oh.
What does it do? You literally
It
just called it Jimmy the Roomba.
Yeah, it just goes around.
And there's things says, what's the button supposed to do on the side?
This button,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't do anything.
Well, why put it there?
Oh, it's called a trap. It's not connected. So when I first built it, I built this here, and I was hoping to put the button there, but I forgot there's no
What
space.
about that one that is connected to the robot?
It resets the thing so it starts going again.
Oh, wow. So, wait, what does this do?
It just goes around.
Okay.
Like a Roomba. Any other comments, questions, concerns?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right, round of applause, guys.